Double check if they are ready, as that one was quite a quick stoppage.
Yeah. Just hearing the cheers, from Maria.
Making her way to the blue corner, Rebecca Williams.
There we go. Last time I did see Rebecca fight, it was kickboxing rules in MMA gloves, and it was a war.
I think Naomi would be coming to this one after a strong camp.
Yeah.
Same with Rebecca.
There we go. Coached by Marcus Lewis. Here is Rebecca Williams, representing Mushikai Gym in Liverpool, I believe.
We have a brilliant fight underway, I'm telling you.
We do.
And to face her, making her way to the red corner, Naomi Powis.
Here we have the famous walkout of Naomi Powis, the jester.
The jester, that was it. I forgot what it was for a second.
She knows how to make an entrance.
And there it is.
There it is.
It's pretty creepy, that.
Yep.
I'd be quite scared if I was in the opposite corner.
I think I would. I think I would have gone home by now.
Walking very slow down that tunnel.
Yep. Rebecca watching Naomi get into the ring.
Rebecca, she's bouncing, she's on her toes, staying warm.
Look at that.
Naomi very
Oh,
confident,
wow.
so confident.
Little wave there to Rebecca from Naomi.
K1 action, 3 rounds, 2 minutes each. Reintroducing in the blue corner, representing Mushin Kai. Let me hear it for Rebecca Williams. Woo! And in the red corner, representing Undisputed Fight Academy, let me hear it for Naomi Powis.
Both girls are ready.
3 2-minute rounds, so it's still going to be fast-paced.
Both girls will be very sharp, very technical.
Similar height.
This one's going to be explosive.
Naomi not blinking. Let's go.
Round 1.
Rebecca straight in with a big side kick.
Big shot there from Rebecca. Naomi throwing the knees though.
Lovely knees from Knight. Rebecca though, so aggressive and strong.
Big spinning back kick, doesn't land. Jabs traded by both.
Lovely inside leg kick from Naomi. Big leg kick from Rebecca. Big knee up the midsection from Naomi, and I think Becca felt that. Big leg kick back from Becca.
Body shot there from Rebecca.
Very explosive Rebecca. Shin pad there of Knight.
Here we go, they're back underway.
Oh,
Big cross there from Naomi.
explosive boxing that we've seen of Naomi before. Lovely leg kick as well. Spinning kick from Becca, misses.
Big right hands from Rebecca.
Both girls waited. Becca's coach Marcus not too happy with Nye grabbing.
Yeah, I think she's putting the head down as she's going for that knee.
Yeah. Lovely 1-2 from Becca there, very explosive on the way in.
Yeah, finding that leg kick on the way out as well.
I'd like to see Nye press forward. I feel like she's waiting a little too much.
Leg kick just caught Naomi off guard there, knocked her off balance.
I'd like to see Naomi push now. She's letting Becca come first. Big knee from Rebecca there. Oh, Naomi took a...
She's back up. Big leg kick there from Rebecca.
Big knee. Holding again though. Back to the corner from those girls.
And that is the end of the first round. What a first round that was. I think Chris is just telling Naomi now she needs to move off that line. Needs to find her range, move off that line, keep turning because she is getting pushed back.
She is.
Rebecca seems cool, calm and collective, taking the instructions.
Chris telling Naomi she needs to use her boxing. Naomi's boxing is brilliant when she lets it go. Rebecca looking nice and chilled in her corner there.
Yeah, nice and calm.
She is looking fresher off the 2. But this is only 3 rounds, so we're expecting high pace.
Jack, and it's Chris just enforcing what he wants her to do.
I'm expecting Becca to come straight
Whoa,
back
big
in.
left up there.
That's what we want from Naomi. That's more like it.
Both trading now, they're moving round, knees going in.
She needs to move out that corner now. Naomi receives an official warning for holding.
I think she's throwing more than one knee in that clinch. She's got to let it go. Rebecca straight in there with that leg kick.
Slip. Knocked off balance. It won't be a count. Rebecca
just walking her down, yeah.
She is like a little bull. Marcus asking Becca to take one step back and unload her shots.
Leg kick inside there, and the outside.
Like Naomi to use her boxing. She's circling very well.
That's it there, yeah, I think exactly what you said. You just got to let them hands go.
Yeah. Big leg kick from Naomi. I'd like her to follow up that with something else now. She needs to move off them ropes.
Both of them just gets caught in the clinch.
Lovely shot from Naomi. Lovely
Nice knee. Both trying with the leg kicks.
Naomi's getting the shots off a lot better now. I feel
Yeah,
Becca.
nice jab there from Naomi.
Becca may have slowed down a little bit. Side kick there to push Becca away. Both girls feeling the fatigue now, I think.
Yeah, definitely.
Oh,
big left right there from Naomi.
That's a boxing that we're on about that we like to see.
Rebecca just catches her on the way out.
Nice side kick from Knight. Lovely hand. She needs to move off now after that. Lovely knee.
Big. That screw shot straight through the centre again. I think Chris will be happy with that one there.
Yeah, Naomi's brought that back that round. Becca's still in it though. She's still strong.
We knew it was going to be absolutely, it was just sparks flying everywhere, and it has been.
Yep. Marcus asking Becca there to push forward, I think, by the looks of things, and a big Superman punch maybe on the way as well. And smashing the legs in.
Yeah, chop that leg down, giving it everything.
Yep.
It's the last round, so needs to be strong.
Last round now for both the girls.
Let's see who wants it more then.
Both girls a little bit cagey.
Yeah, kick there just to start it off. Then the response of her own.
Lovely hands from lovely knee from Naomi there. Big
Nice
side kick to the
side kick.
midsection from Becca. Lovely from Naomi again. Nice. Lovely
And the hands flow.
She's got hold of her with one hand, so that is allowed.
Chris just shouted at Naomi, hands first.
Yep.
I agree with him, I think she's got to use them. Rebecca just getting pushed back.
Marcus has just said we need this round. I agree. It's very even going into this round for both girls now.
Nice jab
shot
cross
from
there
Beck.
from Becca.
Marcus screaming for Becca to come forward. Both girls do need to press now forward. This is razor close, this fight. Lovely 1-2 from Naomi there. I'd like to see
Yeah,
more
Rebecca
boxing.
just stepped into that one.
Lovely. Lovely knee. Wrapping her up. $50 seconds left of this round now.
Big shots there
Big
from
knee from
Naomi.
She needs to move. There we go, moving round. I'd like to see Becca just plant her feet and pick her shots instead of walking forward.
Definitely, she's just
Slowly close her down and pick her shots. Lovely work from both girls now. Becca pushing forward. Naomi with the knees up the middle. Oh,
big left hook.
What a fight from both girls.
I would not like to be the judge of this one.
I would like to see that rematched over 5.
Definitely, I think that could be a title fight right there.
I'm not stirring any pots, but I would love to see that over 5 because these are 2 of the best girls at the weight, in my opinion.
I think there would be sparks flying between these.
Yep. 100%.
You can see Rebecca's coach there, he just had a word with the referee.
Yep, he wasn't happy.
I don't think he was too happy about that one. But that's the sport.
Brilliant fight nonetheless, no matter the outcome, but I do believe Naomi did turn that round after that count. Showing a lot of her heart there, Naomi.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to see which way this one goes.
Did you enjoy that one? Yo, JackHammer UK!
Again, I'm glad I'm not a judge.
Yeah, I think Rebecca's coach is still a bit upset. I think he's a bit annoyed.
Yeah, and with
Ladies and gentlemen, the decision is in. And your winner by split decision is in the red corner, Naomi Powis!
I do believe Naomi did turn it round towards.
And there it is.
And please give it up for Rebecca Williams! Absolutely amazing action here at JackHammer UK.
I do think that needs to be rematched.
Yeah, definitely. I
For
take
a
nothing
title.
away. I do think Naomi won that.
Yeah,
I think
do.
she was sharper. Her hands went.
Yeah.
And we said it when we saw the boxing. It was everything.
I do believe Naomi won it very, very close. And you know what? I've been on the top end of a split and the wrong end of a split, and it's a split for a reason, because it was a really good fight. I would like to see it over 5 rounds for a title.
Definitely sparks would fly.
Yeah.
Not only between the fighters in the middle, but I think the coaches, it'd be intense.